Hi, thank you for joining us here in another episode of the Locinox Learning Library. My name is Kyle. I'm the technical support rep here for the USA division. And today we're going to be discussing our mag lock. Some of you might be asking yourself, well, what is a mag lock? It's actually as straightforward as it sounds. It's an electromagnetic lock consisting of our powered lock element on your post and our dummy plate over here on our gate frame. And when the two of them come together and you give it power, it's locked. It's just that simple. So very straightforward, a device for all your access control needs. Now, I'm going to give you 4 great reasons why you're going to want to buy Locinox mag locks. First up, it meets all 4 of our product criteria. What is that? It's got to be easy to use and easy to install. It's weatherproof. Like all of our products, it's meant to be outside on our pedestrian gates. It's of industrial quality. It's got to hold up to the rigors of loads of commercial or industrial use, hundreds of thousands of movements. And finally, it holds up to our rigorous standards of innovative design. We're not just carbon copying everybody else's stuff out there. We take pride in our work here at Locinox, as you should out there in the field. Now, secondly, another great advantage for us here is it's going to run on 12 or 24 volt DC. Very ubiquitous setup. You can hook this up to any old power supply that you can think of and tie it into virtually any control device or gate operator. Third up, their hold force. These are all tested at the facility. They're going to run to 600 or up to 1,200 pounds of hold force. And finally, there's an added security element on every single one of these here of a raised edge. And I know that sounds so simple, but what it means is that when our magnet is coming together with our dummy plate, there's a raised edge on both so they cup one another and provide a complete seal all the way around so that you can't get anything through here. No screwdriver, no pocket knife is going to get in between the magnet and the lock there to pry that open and try to force in the gate so that you can be assured that your home or your business is staying completely secured with this setup. Now, we've got your 4 reasons to get Locinox. I got 4 great models for you here from us. First up, of course, is the one you can see on the gate next to me. This is our mainline unit. This is the mag lock. This is available in black or silver, 600 or 1,200 pounds of hold force, and has a nice integrated handle. So, with a simple 5 holes drilled in place, 2 on your gate frame, 3 on your post, you can bolt this in, set it up, hook it up with the 4-wire install, and away you go on to the next project. Simple, clean, easy to do. Anybody can get this knocked out and onto the next job. Second model is the Mag. Now, this one is still very similar, but the advantage to the Mag is it's actually removed the integrated handle. This is great if you're trying to tie it in to a drive gate instead of a pedestrian gate where you don't need the handle, but you want some extra security to tie in with that gate operator so that somebody can't force open a big drive gate. They're also very useful if you have a very ornate gate that has its own integrated ornamental handle, and we don't want to interfere with that. This is a nice little element that you can add to those style of gates. Our next model is our B-Mag. Our B-Mag is short for built-in. Built-in model is great. It's a little more work to put in because, as the name implies, we're going to build our powered element directly into the face of our post. Now, what this is going to allow you to do is we now have nothing in between the gate frame post to post when this is in place. The armature plate is going to move with the frame, so it's going to cup over there nicely. Gives you some nice, clean, elegant lines, but it means that for wheelchair access, ADA compliance, there's nothing in there post to post. You keep that total space open so that you can maintain that space for you guys in the field. Lastly is our S-Mag. S-Mag, as the name implies, sliding gate mag lock. Very straightforward. Any kind of sliding gate, whether you've got a pedestrian gate or whether you've got a drive gate, this is the model for you. Powered element, of course, is going to go on the post just like all the rest of them. And our dummy plate is going to move on the trailing edge of the gate, so when the two come together, your gate is now completely secure. As long as you've got power running to this, again, it's got that raised edge all the way around. Nobody's popping this open. All of these are available in black or silver. The Mag and the Mag are available in 600 and 1,200 pound hold forces. So what are you going to want to use to control this? Well, again, thanks to that 12 or 24 volt DC, you can hook it up to a wide array of different control devices. Our primary element here, though, of course, we've got it on our electronic keypad, the Slimstone. Nice option for you. But you can hook it up to a card reader, a key fob, gate operator, whatever you can think of that's going to run on 12 or 24 volt for your particular application in a large HOA setting, at an amusement park, whatever it is, anywhere where you've got those PED or drive gates that you want to add that extra bit of access control to, this is the perfect item to do it, and to do it simply. So, in summation, we've got 4 great reasons for you to get this. Buy Locinox because of the ease of use, simple installation, and straightforward 12 or 24 volt DC setup, and that raised edge ensures a high level of security at any application. 4 perfect models for you for whatever your application requires of you. And lastly, if you have any questions or any concerns, you can always call us here at 877-LOCINOX, or you can find us online at locinoxusa.com. Again, my name is Kyle. Thank you so much for joining us today.